as we are approaching the 58th anniversary of the Selma Jubilee weekend, I've been reflecting on what happened in 1965 and the courageous actions of civil rights leaders and freedom fighters that were making the journey from Selma to Montgomery on foot, to really call for a national push for passing the Voting Rights Act of 1965. Nearly 4 months later, after the actions of John Lewis and many other heroes, we saw the Voting Rights Act of 1965 passed. But that wasn't just at any cost. The cost was bloodshed, the cost was time, energy, organizing, and a lot of state-sanctioned violence from local police and other authorities that met peaceful protesters with guns, bullets, pellets, and also water, as they attempted to just make their case for equal dignity under the law and for truly advancing the right to vote for Black people in America. The fight for voting rights is not stagnant or wasn't completed with the passage of the VRA in 1965, and that we still have an ongoing role to play to make sure that democracy really is accessible to all and meets the full promise that all Americans, and especially Black Americans, deserve. The activists and foot soldiers in 1965 didn't use really fancy technology or didn't have a lot of power, but they built power together, and they built power through organizing, and they built power through making sure that they had a seat at the table at any means necessary, and got the attention of DC and got the attention of elected officials from across the country. So I encourage individuals that are struggling with finding their voice in their community to, of course, vote, and vote every year, because every year is an election year, but also to get together with your community members and really see how you can build power. And that could mean anything from a small group to even organizing a peaceful protest. Your power is in your voice and in your vote. So I would encourage people to be creative in their organizing and their activism, because we are at a critical point in our democracy and in our country, and we need all of us to fight back.